At Boyce, we feel robots are here to enhance our jobs and to elevate the capacity of the individuals working in the factory. And we use robots for precision welding, non-additive laser welding, traditional kinds of welding, printed circuit board manufacturing, thermoforming processing, and plastics processing. So we do some precision metal work and electronics work that really is either too small or too precise for humans to do. So we have collaborative robotics to assist in those processes. And we really build mission-critical communication systems that require very high availability that can only be achieved with robotics. To be competitive in today's marketplace, you have to be creative, cost-effective, have capacity to do things that otherwise would be subcontracted all around the country. Having all of our capability under one roof with robotics and automation, we feel we can accomplish goals for what a lot of our customers have. We overcome that supply chain management by doing everything in-house with robotics. Worker safety is a huge reason why we adopt robots. And with the robotic rooms that we use, we're able to accomplish the laser welding technique that would otherwise put people in harm's way. All of our robots get redeployed and reprogrammed for individual tasks. We build up libraries of programmed tasks. We have several people that are programming robots, from complex software to manual programming. It varies on the robot and the function. At Boyce Technologies, we've learned there's a facilities learning curve to place, house, and operate the robots. And then there's a programming learning curve of everything from designing your products for automation to adopting complex software packages to perform the functions. We at Boyce have taken our workforce, which are certified welders, mechanics, assembly people, and engineering, and they've adopted the robots to use in their day-to-day functions, and it's become an opportunity for them to grow professionally and within the company to expand their skill set. At Boyce, we feel robots are here to enhance our jobs and to elevate the capacity of the individuals working in the factory. It's been 100% well received by all of our employees. In fact, the robots were so well adopted by the workers, they find ways to use them that our engineering and our factory planning haven't even thought of before. It's more than just build some things with some cool robots. It's about develop an ecosystem of automation.